All right, hello everyone. So it is January 31st, so just a little bit over a month since my first video. I'm really kind of considering the 29th of December to be my first day, even though the store was open, I think sometime in mid-November. I basically had it open for like 3 days, and Canada Post went on strike. So I paused the store for a while, couldn't really do anything without the ability to ship anything. But I just kept putting up listings and, kind of working on it behind the scenes. Again, I got my first sale on the 29th of December. It was a New Year's sale I had set up. That got me super excited. After that, the sales started to kind of come in about one a week. So it seemed to be every Sunday night I was getting a sale, maybe sometimes Saturday. And then just when I kind of figured out that pattern, suddenly it stopped. And I had 10 days of no sales. So that was kind of a bummer, but I kept telling myself, just keep working on the site, keep doing your thing. The sales will come eventually. I also knew January is a very slow month. Everyone spent all their money in Christmas or at Christmas. They probably racked up their credit cards. That first, paycheck or two in December, their money's going towards paying off their debt from Christmas. So people don't really have a lot of extra money to spend. And then on top of that, there's a lot going on in the world right now. Things are very uncertain. There's a lot of looming threats about tariffs and whatnot. So people are probably holding on to their cash. But everything I've read said January is very slow, not to expect much. And then top of that, it takes a while to get a store up and rolling, so I wasn't really expecting much of anything. So every sale is a bonus, is what I'm trying to say. But that being said, I kept telling myself, I really like to get to the point where I'm getting more than one sale a week. Instead of every 7 days, it'd be nice if it was 6 days and 5 days, and that cadence sped up. And then eventually I was thinking I want to get to the point where I'm getting more than one sale a day, obviously, because if you're selling something that's $5 once a week, you're not going to retire off that. You can't even cover your costs with that. But, just all these goals in my head, like, okay, I want to start getting more than one sale a week, then I want to get more than one sale a day, kind of keep rolling up from there. But anyways, so 10 days had gone by, no sales. I hadn't really filmed anything because there wasn't really much to say. Then was it Wednesday night about 11 o'clock, I heard the cha-ching on my phone. I was like, oh, awesome. I checked, I got a sale. It was someone using a 30% off coupon from a comeback email. So I'd been in their cart that had been abandoned. They got the auto email and they purchased from that. So I was like, oh, fantastic. Sent it to the printer, cleared the notification, went to bed. I wake up around 5 or 6 in the morning. I think my phone actually woke me up, but I just woke up and was like, I guess gotta go pee or something. So did my thing, and I checked my phone. I'm like, oh, I swear I cleared that notification before bed. So I swiped it away. Go back to sleep for a couple hours. So I wake up, I'm like, I swear I cleared that notification twice now. So I cleared the notification. Go about my morning, eat, shower, all that, get my day started. About 9:30, I'm on a call, and I see the notification pop up again. I'm like, what the heck's going on? Why does this keep popping up? Because I wasn't hearing the cha-ching. But then I log in and I noticed I had 4 orders. So 1 at 11 o'clock the night before, then 3 had already come in that morning. Now, mind you, I forgot I had set up a flash sale for that day. I have a whole bunch of them kind of periodically set up over the next year or so. But I think people had their stuff in their cart or were, kind of humming and hawing, maybe had it favorited, saw the sale start, and then went and bought their items. Looked like one of them did it through an ad click from a while back. And again, once they saw the 50% off, they jumped on it. But anyways, it's been crazy. I got a total of 4 sales yesterday, 1 sale the day before that. This morning, I was woken up again at 5 a.m. by another cha-ching. This time I heard it and I saw it and I was like, awesome. Then again, I was on a call about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Actually, it was about 11 o'clock, not that it matters. And I heard that cha-ching again. Oh God, this was a double order this time. So anyways, I've got 4 packages in my hand already. Can't quite see the one, but those are all ready to go out. Got this one that I'm just starting. I just finished printing it. I gotta get the labels all set up, get that ready to go. And I've got that other order that just came in. That's actually a double order for 2 items. They're actually my highest priced items with the best margin on it. I haven't sold any. Now I've sold 2. So that's fantastic. So I'm gonna get those on the printer, and then I'm gonna be dropping, I guess, 6 packages. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it'll be 6 packages off at the post office tonight, assuming no more orders come in. But man, I'm stoked. I've gotten enough orders that I can say, 1 week, I've got 7 orders for the week already, even though they all came in on 3 days. But man, if I got a couple orders every day like this would be awesome. Still not enough to retire on. It's not enough to really be that profitable, but it's all about scaling things up. If I can get to that point where my printer's busy all the time, well, now I can buy another printer. Now I just keep, adding more and more ads, adding more variations, things like that, figuring out what works, what doesn't. But it's feeling like it's starting to come together. It's feeling like that that snowball is starting to, get big enough that it's building up enough momentum. It's, at that point where if I just give it a push, it's going to roll down the hill on its own. Maybe. I don't know. I still need to work on it, obviously. But anyways, pretty excited today. Like I said, my phone's been going cha-ching, cha-ching. I don't always hear it, but I see the notifications later. It's been fantastic. I've been getting more cha-chings than I have been getting favorite notifications. I'm used to just like endless favorite notifications. Like, hey, someone favorited your item. You're like, great. You gonna buy it or not? But no, now it's just cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. So this is awesome. I'm really loving this. But anyways, I'm just on my lunch break. I had to get back to work in a little bit, but hopefully I get some more orders this afternoon, so I have more to fulfill tonight. Anyways, that's all for now. Cheers.